Many robot vacuums have a range of different features to make home cleaning as easy as possible, but still require a degree of frequent maintenance and human interaction to get the job done. The X1 Omni gives you the complete package with the most amount of control and the least amount of work for a truly hands-free cleaning experience. The X1 Omni lays all its cards on the table with 4-stage deep cleaning that every household needs. You'll get the most advanced clean with integrated dual side brushes and a floating main brush to sweep up the big stuff, 5000 PA strong suction power to really pick up that hard to get debris, and the Osmo Turbo 2.0 rotating mopping system for a deep and efficient clean with no stubborn stains left unwashed, making the X1 Omni a complete solution for robot home cleaning that reaches 95% of cleaning efficiency. No matter how complicated the layout of your home is, the X1 Omni's True Mapping 2.0 tech can easily create and save a map of your home and navigate it quickly and efficiently, even in the dark, pushing the limits and getting the job done at any time. The built-in camera is loaded with autopilot technology, allowing the X1 Omni to avoid any rogue obstacles that cross its path. And thanks to AI computing power, it can even recognize humans, making it your smartest home cleaning device. The X1 Omni takes automated home appliances to the next level with Yiko, a humanized AI voice control system that lets you activate your smart robot with nothing but a few words. This awesome new intelligent voice control tech means you can just tell your X1 Omni to start up, perform a range of cleaning functions, and even change settings effortlessly. What's even better is that Yiko is a dedicated voice control assistant with voice commands specific to the X1 Omni, but you can also connect and control it with your existing Alexa or Google Home Assistants if you prefer. The Omni Station is where the magic really happens, providing a truly hands-free experience. The X1 Omni will return to the Omni Station when full and automatically empty out its dustbin so you don't have to. In between mops, the X1 Omni will return to the station and clean the pads to ensure you're not using dirty pads to clean the whole time. It'll refill its water tank and continue where it left off for the ultimate hands-free cleaning experience. If you want to keep an eye on where your X1 Omni is at or schedule a clean, the Home app will let you monitor and customize all your cleaning needs. It's also equipped with the brand new advanced 3D map, so you can not only see the detailed home map curated by the X1 Omni, you can also personalize it by editing the 3D map, adding 3D furniture for a more immersive and accurate look at your home. For more info on the Ecovacs X1 Omni, pop by a local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.